Hi everyone, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Today we're going to work on St. Petersburg stitch. Now you can use any colors and sizes of beads you like for this stitch. I'm going to show you the basics. And for this particular instance, I'm going to use the size 8 gold seed beads and the size 11 green seed beads. With this stitch, you can make this basic St. Petersburg stitch, and from that, you can go on to create a double St. Petersburg stitch. Let's start with St. Petersburg. First thing I need is a needle and thread, and the needle and thread I'm using are a tulip needle and some 6-pound fireline. I chose to use the smoke because it's a little easier for you to see on camera. So first thing I'm going to do is add one of those nifty gold seed beads. This is also going to double as my stop bead, for those of you that know what a stop bead is. Basically what I'm going to do is go through this again to make sort of a little loop around the bead, and that holds it in place and keeps it from sliding easily up and down my thread. That's just a stop bead. Now I'm going to add 6 green seed beads. Now I'm going to go back through the middle 2 beads, not the end 2 beads, not the other end 2 beads, but the middle 2 beads. I'm going to go through them again, the same direction I went through them the first time, and this forms sort of a little square or flower. And easy enough to just slide this all the way down to the work I'm working on. So there we go, that's the beginning. Now I'm going to pick up one more green seed bead and go through these 3 beads right here. 1, 2, 3, right through there. Pull that all the way through so that top bead sits on top. So from there, now I add one more of my gold beads, and I go through these 2 that are on the side that are kind of like little outriggers. I'm going to go right through both of those. And that completes 1 stitch of St. Petersburg. That's 1 set. So then we can start over again. And this time, we've already got 2 seed beads, so we're going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring those down to your work. And again, we're going to go through the 2 middle seed beads. We're not going to go through these 2 end beads. We're going to go through those 2 again. Same direction. Okay, and pull those all the way down to your work. And pick up one more of the green beads. And go back through these 3 beads. Okay. Pull that all the way down. Pick up a big bead. It may not be gold in your version. And go back through those 2 I called the outliers. Let's see if I can get this where you can see it. I call those 2 the outliers there. Go through those 2 and pull that all the way up through. There we go. And if you just continue that pattern, it's a pretty easy pattern. It's really fun. It makes a very nice, very flexible, beautiful addition for a necklace. I'm thinking I could curve it this way and add dangles, do all kinds of things. Thank you so much for joining me at the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. I hope you enjoy this stitch, and I'd love to see what you make. Happy beading!